Imagine waking up and naturally choosing actions that lead to success, not because you forced yourself, but because your mind is wired that way. Today, I'll show you how to reprogram your brain to break bad habits effortlessly and replace them with powerful daily patterns that create unstoppable momentum. This isn't theory. These are proven brain rewiring methods used by top performers, backed by neuroscience, and tested in real life. The science of habit loops. Every habit you have, good or bad, runs on a loop. Cue, routine, and reward. If you check your phone every 10 minutes, it's not willpower. It's a neurological shortcut. The secret isn't breaking habits. It's replacing them. Like, instead of stop scrolling, tell your brain what to do instead. Cue boredom. Routine. 5 deep breaths or stand up and stretch. Reward. Clarity plus confidence boost. This retrains the brain's dopamine system to crave growth instead of distraction. Step 1. Awareness training. You can't change what you don't notice. Spend one day tracking your triggers. When, where, and why you engage in your bad habit. Like this. Notice that you snack at 3 p.m. It's not hunger. It's a stress cue. Once you identify it, you can insert a new success pattern. Personal antidote. Years ago, I realized I checked email every 5 minutes to feel productive. But it was just anxiety. Once I replaced that reflex with a single daily email power hour, my productivity tripled and stress plummeted. Step 2. Reprogram your environment. Your brain follows friction and flow. Bad habits thrive in easy environments. Good habits grow in intentional ones. If your goal is to read more, put a book on your pillow. If you want to work out more, keep your gym clothes ready the night before. This removes decision fatigue and primes your environment for success. Personal antidote. When I wanted to stop hitting snooze, I literally put my phone across the room. Day 1, annoying. Day 3, automatic. That single environmental tweak rewired my mornings and my life. Step 3. Daily repetition plus identity reprogramming. The fastest way to break bad habits is to stop identifying with them. Don't say, "I'm trying to quit procrastinating." Say, "I'm becoming the kind of person who takes action immediately." Identity drives consistency, and repetition cements that identity. Which habit resonates most with you so far? Is it environmental design, daily awareness, or identity rewiring? Comment below. I read every response personally and might feature your story in a future video. Step 4. Emotional reset and reward replacement. Your brain doesn't crave habits, it craves feelings. So when you remove a bad habit, you need to replace the emotional reward. If you stress eat, replace the comfort with a new reward, like music, journaling, or taking a walk. Your mind needs to associate the new habit with positive emotion. Personal antidote. When I stopped drinking soda, I replaced that 3 p.m. crash drink with sparkling water and a 2-minute gratitude note. The dopamine hit didn't come from sugar anymore. It came from momentum. Step 5. Morning rewire routine. Want the fastest reset? Rewire your brain every morning before the world interferes. This 3-minute sequence can transform your mindset in a week. First, visualize your best self. See, feel, and act as if it's already you. Second, affirm identity-based habits. I'm a focused, disciplined, unstoppable creator. Third, move your body. Motion rewires emotion. Fourth, prime your mind with one question. What one decision today moves me closer to my next level? When you do this daily, your subconscious starts to cooperate. The power of compound momentum. These micro wins compound fast. 1% better daily turns into exponential transformation. Success isn't built overnight. It's built every morning. Pattern recap. How they all connect. Let's connect the dots. Awareness reveals your hidden triggers. Environment reshapes your behavior. Identity directs your choices. Emotional replacement sustains progress. Morning rewiring cements everything. That's the pattern of permanent transformation. Each habit supports the next, like gears in a success engine. 7-day challenge. So here's your 7-day rewire challenge. First, identify one habit you want to change. Second, track the cue and emotional trigger. Third, replace it with a small, empowering routine. Fourth, repeat daily and record your progress. Fifth, celebrate every tiny win. That's your brain learning success. after 7 days, you'll feel the difference, and others will notice it too. When I tried this, I only changed one habit, my phone mornings, but that one shift unlocked every other area of my life. And that's what I want for you. Download the free Rewire Your Mind for Success workbook in the description below. It's a guided tool to help you apply these methods step by step. Then hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Because once your mind changes, everything changes. Let's rewire for success starting today and join our community.